Hello everyone, happy Halloween with numbers. We're going to find all the Halloween things that matches with our numbers. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. One haunted house. Number 2. 1, 2, 2 cauldrons. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 skeletons. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spider webs. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bats. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Halloween pumpkins. Number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 spiders. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Halloween cupcakes. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 Halloween sweets. Number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cats. Well done everyone, fantastic work, great work, well done. Hello parents, please visit my Etsy store where you will find money resources that you can download and help your child with their early reading, writing and math skills. I will leave a link in description. Thank you for all your support and happy learning.